Hello, my name is Femi from Femiron Project. Okay, so this is certainly going to be the last video. So just one or two more things and we are done completely. So now, just for us to keep the legend very simple, we could make it complicated, but let's just keep it very simple like this. So we just on the state layer, state boundaries layer, we just remove this subheading here. Can remove it or cut it as the case may be. And then we could paste it here on the layer, or just leave it as it is anyhow. Just leave it. Let's just paste it and remove the underscore here. Okay, so we click on insert to do the legend. Then you select legend. Then we want the country down, so we just click the country down. Under the state boundary. So you click next. And click next, click next, click next, and click finished. Yep, and then we have our legend. So just let it snap to our guide. Sorry, to snap to our guide. Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, the map is done. So if you started from the first video to now, I want to say well done to you. So so I think the only difference it's between this and the map that we just did now is just the color. The label color. This was white, and the one we just created now it's a dark it's a black font. So yeah, so well done to you. So now if you want to print, just quick one. So if you want to print, for example, any map from ArcGIS, so based on my own personal experience, I usually prefer to export in PDF. So it's better printing in PDF format. Then if you want to do, like for presentation, add to your presentation file or a Word document or something of that nature, then it's good to use like a PNG. So I prefer the PNG format. Some people use JPEG, but I just prefer from experience the PNG format because of the lossless characteristics of PNG nature. So yeah, okay, so we go to file, we select export map. Then don't forget to go to your folder called export. Then you name the map. Sometimes that's why I prefer the name of the file itself, so I don't need to change the name. But if you wish, you can change it. As I said, you have several other formats here, but I'll stick with PNG. Then the resolution, just bear in mind that the higher the resolution, the more, the larger your file size will be. So click on format. I usually background, I just put no color. So I'll leave it as 500. Yeah, it's fine. Maybe if you want to put it online, you can just maybe 100 will be, or 200 will be fine, until you don't have a very large file. Okay, so now save it and you wait for it to export, and it says export complete. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, our map is done. So so well done to everyone who followed through, and please don't forget to share your maps with me. I'll be very happy to see what you've done. You can share it to us at our Facebook platform at Femiron Project. So yes, and Twitter. But at the moment, Yeah, or Twitter, anyone. But I think preferably Facebook would be better, so you could just post the maps. I mean, this map you've done, and for me to just comment or just look at them. It's be very good it's going to be a very good booster. I mean, like morale booster for me to create more subsequent videos. But trust me, this was a very basic one. We're going to be doing we're going to continue this pace, then move on to more, complex maps, then more complex maps. Yeah, in the nearest future. Okay, so it's been nice having you guys around. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is a brand new channel. Actually, this is even my first. This is actually my first content. So please, like, subscribe, share with your friends, colleagues, and staff. This is actually going to be. This is going to be a good way to encourage me. To creating more content in the nearest future. Okay, so till next time, cheers.